Hello, boys and girls. Okay, for this week's homework, you are going to have the same text, which is going to be what is metal. But for Monday, you are going to be doing these directions. It says Monday, read and annotate the text. You can have somebody help read it to you. Or you can just listen to this video and afterwards you can annotate. Remember that annotate means you are taking notes. You are doing exactly what we have been practicing in class. So we're going to begin reading. What is metal? You use it when you wear a watch. You use it when you open a can of soup. You use it when you use a coin to pay for something. What do you use? Metal. Metal is usually hard and shiny. Iron, gold, and silver are metals. So are nickel, lead, zinc, copper, aluminum, and tin. Steel is a metal that is made from iron and other materials. Many things are made of metal because metal can be melted and formed into many shapes. The shapes can be large or small, sturdy or delicate. Look around the room. Do you see a paper clip, a lamp, a key? Those things are often made of metal or have metal parts. The coins we use for money are made of metal too. However, each coin is a mix of different metals. A penny is mostly zinc with a coating of copper. A dime, a quarter, a $50, and a dollar coin are mixes of nickel and copper. These 4 coins all have 3 layers. The middle layer is copper. The 2 outside layers are a mix of nickel and copper. Think about the different metals in coins the next time you are counting your money. Metal comes from the earth. You may have read about workers who dig in the earth to find metal. Some of them search for valuable metals such as gold, silver, or copper. These rugged workers are called miners. When miners find the metal they are searching for, they dig it out of the earth. The holes that miners dig are called mines. The deepest mine in the world today is about 2.5 miles deep. Read and annotate the text. You can have somebody help read it to you. And we're going to move on to our practice sheet. So this is your practice sheet. The directions say forms of numbers, expanded form. Numbers can be expressed in more than one way. We often write numbers using digits, such as 735,692. This is called standard or number form. We can also write the number 735,692 in expanded form by writing the value of each digit. So remember, boys and girls, that expanded form has the addition in between. Okay, so we start with the ones. This is a 2, tens, there's a 9, hundreds, a 6, thousands, a 5, 10,000s, a 3, 100,000s, a 7. Ones just represent 1. Tens represent 90. Hundreds, 600. Thousands, 5,000. 10,000s, 30,000. 100,000s, 700,000. So the directions say, write the value of each digit, then write each number in expanded form. So you're going to go through and you're going to write the value. Remember that place value is how much is the digit worth. So if we're doing number 1, okay, they want to know the value. So the value of 3, that's the ones, that's going to be 3. The value of 4, that's the tens. You're going to put 4 and 1 0. That means that there are 40 tens. For 7, you're going to add another 0. That's the hundreds. So you're going to put 7, 1 0, 2 zeros. Then you have 6. That is the place value of the ones, tens, hundreds, of the thousands. So you're going to put 6 and you're going to add, I have 1 0, 2 zeros. I'm going to add 3 zeros. For this next one, I'm going to add 1. I'm going to put 1 and then I'm going to have 1, 2, 3. We're going to have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And don't forget your commas after every third digit. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, when you write that in expanded form, you're just going to go ahead and drop those numbers. So it's going to be 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 3. Okay? For number 3, you are doing something different. All they want you to do is to write each number in expanded form. Once again, you're going to have to know those place values. So if we start off, we're going to say for number 3, it's going to be 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 3. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for number 4 and number 5. For the next practice sheet, it says forms of numbers in word form. So now you're going to take these and you're going to put them in word form. The first bullet says read the number in each period all the way to the comma. The second bullet says when you get to the comma, state the name of the period. For example, thousands. Okay, so we've talked about the periods. We have 2,307,419. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this one. I will help you with number 1. Okay. So for number 1, we're going to write this in word form. So I'm going to recognize that I have the 1 comma here. Okay, so when I do this, I'm just going to go ahead and write. It's going to be, now make sure that you write as small as you possibly can, unless you're typing it. So we have 384,000 57. Okay, we're not going to identify this 0, so we just say 50 should have a T. So it should be F. Let me go ahead and rewrite that one over so there's no confusion. So it should be FIFTY. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and do the same thing for number 2, number 3, and number 4. That concludes your homework for Monday. Make sure that you send it to Google Classroom, and we will see you on Tuesday.